first tell me what is array. Ujjwal, define the array.
Sir, array is a collection of similar data type.
Okay, Rasi, tell me what is array.
Continuous location of similar data type of elements.
Continuous location of similar data type of element. Okay, fine. So see what is array. Array is a collection of similar data type or similar type of element, which means the data type must be same and stored in a contiguous memory location. They are stored in a continuous memory location. We can access them randomly. Now, how can we declare it? This way. First, we declare the data type, then name of the array, and then size. Now, in this declaration, you can see I am not giving the size. Size, it can take from the initialization of the definition also. So, size, it will take from here. Is it fine? Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What will happen when I do this? I am not defining it, I am just declaring it. In that case, it will show us error. Can you see that? If I am declaring without the size, then it is error. But if I am declaring plus defining at the same time, in that case, we need not to give the size. But right now, size is fixed to the number of elements. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I want to check the size of element. So it is pretty simple task. First size of array, ARR integer type, then size of float, and then size of another integer. Now we can see here. See, size of first array is 20, which is ARR because array is integer type and our size is 5. So 5 multiplied by 4 because integer size data is 4 byte. 5 multiplied by 4, that is 20. Float is also size of 5 float array and data type is of 4 bytes, so it is 20 again. Next one is 28. Is it fine? It takes the data type from here. Fine. Now, for this, I want to take input from the user. So I am taking input from a user. Is it fine for you? You already know how to scan variables from the user.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And after that, I am printing the element of the array and let me show you the answer. Array size, number of element in the ARR, where we are giving the value, we are giving the value for array I. That means we are inserting the value for this array. Fine. So I am giving the value 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are the value. Now see, I am printing this from simple loop, array of 0, address is this and data is 5, which we have given. You can see here, we have given 5 only. Fine. And I am also printing the address as well. Next one is 6, then 7, then 8, then 9. Is it fine? In the same way, I am printing the next elements also. I am printing float array and another array which I initialize as well as define at the same time. Is it fine? किसी को doubt है इसमें? Anyone have any doubt here?
No, sir.